Hey guys, Nate here with Wichita Homeworks again. Hey, I just got off another roof with an adjuster, and we were talking about what is going to be covered and what wasn't for a client. There's definitely plenty of hail damage to all of the gutters, the downspouts, all of the roof vents and pipe jacks, all of that sort of thing. But unfortunately, the client did not have coverage for gutters, downspouts, the roofing metal. So what that means is insurance is only going to pay out to have like their roofing vents and whatnot pulled and reset. They're not going to pay for new ones, so those are going to sit there and they're still going to be damaged. Also, that unfortunately means that they don't get new gutters or downspouts, and judging by what we've seen, those definitely need replaced as well on their house since they're damaged from the hail on this last storm. So what I would like to remind you all of is to double check with your agents and make sure that you know your policy. I'm afraid to see it, but I hate to see it, but oftentimes I think a lot of us just kind of glaze over the fine print and don't actually figure out what is and isn't covered. So make sure you have your agent walk through your policy with you, because when it comes to covering damage or issues with your roof, you always have to revert back to the policy and see what the policy reads. And if it reads that they don't cover it and you signed up for that, then unfortunately that has to come out of pocket for you, or you'd have to leave it with damage. So, moral of the story, talk to your insurance agents, have them walk through the policy with you, read over your policy, make sure you know what it says, make sure you know what it covers, and if there's anything that's unclear in that policy, make sure that you have your agent walk through that with you and get it in writing from them. A lot of times all you have to do is get just a minor upgrade to your policy to have that stuff covered. And I just hate to see people purchase coverage that they don't know what is covered and what isn't. So when you have damage and you need a repair, that's the wrong time to figure out what all your policy says, because it's too late by then. So we got a lot of good insurance agents that I work with, and if you would like a referral ever, just let me know. I've got a handful of really good ones that I know walk their clients through it and make sure they understand what they're being covered for and what they're paying for. So that's my public service announcement for today. We're still out in West Wichita looking at roofs. We're still finding more and more hail damage, so if you or someone you know is out in this area, let us know and we'll come out and do a free inspection for you. And don't forget, we do pay for referrals as well, so we'd be happy to pay you for any referrals that turn into work for us. So, all right, have a good Thursday, and we'll talk to you soon.